What's up, Web3 fam? My name is Marco Montero, aka GUGT, and I'm here to show you the first steps to claiming your first ever NFT/POAP utilizing the Metamask wallet and applying your Web3 Ethereum address. This video will primarily be for those that have semi-minted their NFT POAP utilizing their email address, but it can still be applied for anyone who wants to claim or mint a POAP with an Ethereum address. We'll go to the POAP application, tap on the click here, extra information, notification. There you'll have an option to resend a verification email. Utilizing your appropriate email address, find the verification email, click on the click here link, and from there you'll be redirected to a minting page. On the minting page, you'll realize you'll need an Ethereum address. The one we're going to be using is going to be the Metamask wallet. Obviously, you go to the App Store, download the application, and from there, you'll be prompted to create your first ever Web3 wallet. After downloading your Metamask wallet, you'll be prompted to create your first ever digital wallet. From there, you'll create a password and a secret recovery phrase. Now, with your password and your secret recovery phrase, please do not place this inside of notes or put it anywhere on anything that is connected to the internet. Please write this down by hand. Reason being, if, say, for example, you mint the next Bored Ape and you have 6 figures of NFTs inside of your wallet, you can easily get that hacked. There have been people in the past with millions of dollars that have gotten their NFTs stolen immediately and hacked without any warning. Even people who are OGs and have been in the space for years. So please, just write it down. Once that is settled and you're safe and secured, all you need to do is copy your public address and paste it on the minting page shown before. And now you should have your first ever NFT and POAP. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't be afraid to list them below, and I'll see you in the next video or tutorial. I hope this helped, and I hope you have an amazing day, and enjoy the journey. Peace.